Hello, this is Greenville fan 1991 Productions. We're gonna do White Horse Road Roller Crossing Tour. This one has a old lights in a safe Tran mechanical bell in a Norfolk Southern stamp in the lights. This crossing has do not stop on the tracks in the lights in the six lights. The other bell is a WCH mechanical bell and a crossing sign and old lights in the stamp says Norfolk Southern. The other says stop, no, do not stop on the tracks. This one has a sign light says no right turn. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.